What is up, guys? This video will cover replacement of the feeder cam lever. This video will be a permanent fix. If you need a temporary solution, just pull the white tab toward the center of the printer. You can see my other previous brother printer video at timestamp 3 minutes 28 seconds. If the white tab, the feeder cam lever slides around with minimal effort, the part is broken. Hopefully we can prevent these from going to a landfill somewhere, so stay tuned. Okay, now you'll just open up the paper tray, put it aside, then open up the front and rear doors. Behind the rear door there's a Phillips screw, just remove that. And this thing will basically unclip. Okay, the next step is removing the feeder cam motor. Pick or a toothpick or something. Get it over that spindle and this thing just slides off. Now here's your feeder cam lever right here, the white piece. There's a spring here that just kind of rests inside of this tab. And this part is hard to tell, but it extends all the way up here. Okay, now I'm just sliding out the feeder cam lever. It doesn't take any effort. If this part is broken, it just slides out with no effort whatsoever. In the top right corner, you'll see the easier method of me tucking that spring away. Like, I've seen another video of this, but they don't really show a side by side of what's actually happening. Here's the two parts. You see the difference here? The part being broken like it is, this is why the part floats on its spindle. This is a new part. I'm going to orientate. I've already greased it up. It's going to be orientated like that. When you're sliding it over the spindle and you're going to be pushing just a little bit of force here, be careful on how much force you apply, because I don't know how strong this part is when you're putting it in. Basically just put a little bit of pressure, and mine popped in. So once you have it greased up and everything, I would grease up that tab as well, just to see. That should help you kind of get into that groove. Now once you get the feeder cam lever in place, then you'll just put the spring back to where it was in front of this part, or I guess behind it if you're looking at the front of the printer. But you'll put it back in the groove there, and then this motor will go back in, and you just line up there's a flat part of the spindle, kind of articulate it into the spot you need where it'll line up, and it'll go over this little black tab here, and it clicks in. Okay, once you got that clipped in, you'll work on getting the side panel back on. The side panel on this particular model has 4 clips, 2 at the front, 2 at the rear, and it also has the ones at the very top. So you have to kind of work at an upward angle and then work from the front to the back. It should all kind of slide in at once. Don't forget to put the Phillips screw at the rear of the printer, and then you can start buttoning this back up. This seems to be a fairly common issue with brother printers. If you have any friends that have a not so happy face, please share this video. And if you see these guys in a field, make sure you get to them before it's too late. Have a good one and take care.